This video, I want to show you how to navigate OpenSea. You can buy an NFT or place an order for an NFT on the OpenSea marketplace. OpenSea is one of the largest and most popular NFT marketplaces out there, and the URL is opensea.io. Now, when I landed here, we see these drops that are happening at the moment, and depending on when you navigate to OpenSea, you might see different NFTs being displayed here at the moment. These are the active, the upcoming drops that are happening at the moment. Now, in OpenSea, we have an option to see the drops. We can see some stats, and stats will show us different rankings for different collections. We can see this Gitcoin NFT. The volume of it is 6,890, and the percentage change in the last 24 hours, because I've selected 24 hours. We also see the floor price and the number of sales. We can also then select between different chains. So we've got Arbitrum, we've got Avalanche, BNB, Ethereum, Caitlin, Optimism, Polygon, and we also have Solana. So if we were to pick Solana, for example, we can see the NFTs that are on sale on the Solana network at the moment. Now, if we select one of these, so let's just select this collection here. And when you select the collection, you can see the number of items, when they were created, the chain, and then you see some details of the NFT. So this is a collection of 10,000 3D animated NFTs. We can see the total sales volume, the floor price. Now, this is the lowest price that one of these NFTs is up for sale at. How many are listed, how many owners, and how many unique owners. And if we scroll down, we can then see all of the different NFTs in the collection. We also have some filters over here for. Now, let's say you wanted to buy this NFT. Well, what you would select is buy now. And when you select buy now, it's going to ask you to connect to your wallet. So we can connect to our wallet. And it's also asking us to sign a message. Now, this isn't a buy message. This is when you connect to OpenSea. You need to accept their terms and conditions. So it says here, click to sign in acceptance of the OpenSea terms and conditions. And it gives you a link, and there's no gas fees or anything for this signature. So we can say approve. Now, if we wanted to buy this NFT, we need to approve the collection first and understand that OpenSea has not reviewed this collection. So we can say, okay, now if you don't have enough funds in your wallet, what this is going to do is bring you to purchase this with your credit card or with MoonPay. We see here it's powered with MoonPay. So if I press continue, it'll allow me then to log into my MoonPay and pay with my MoonPay. If you have enough funds in your wallet, you can pay for it directly with your wallet, and you'll need to sign the transaction to do so. So let's just go back here for a moment, and I'm going to select a different one. I'm going to select this Gitcoin one. And in here, again, we have the status, owner, the price, the rarity, rank, quantity, currency, and so forth. So we looked at buy now. There's also on auction. And you can go in, and when something is on auction, you can place a bid. So in here, again, I need to connect with my MetaMask because I'm now connecting with Ethereum instead of Solana. And it says place a bid. Now, when you place a bid, the bids go in down here in the price, in the offers. And it shows the difference in the offer to the floor price. So all these bids have been 5% below the floor price. So if you wanted to place a bid, you'd select place bid. You agree to this, and then you enter in the amount here of how much you want this bid to be. So let's say we want it to be zero point 0.4, even though it's saying the minimum must be 0.73. And then you would select place bid. And if the seller accepts the bid will then go through. So that is when you're buying from an auction. So let me go back again. And we've seen when something's up for sale, and we've also seen when it's on auction. But what if it's not up for sale or on auction? Well, then you can make a collection offer. So again, you need to understand the terms. And when you're making an offer, you can put in how much it is that you want to pay for the item. Now, saying I don't have enough wrap to eat for this at the moment, and that's fine because I'm not going to buy it. How long do you want this offer to be up for? So you can put this in for as long as you want to, and the offer will remain open to the seller for this number of days. Then you select make offer, and then it's up to the seller to decide whether they want to sell it to you for that price or not. Now I'm going to go back to OpenSea for a minute, and in here we can see the different types of NFTs that are available. For example, we've got art NFTs, we've got gaming, membership, profile pictures, and photography. Now, it's really quite important that you understand exactly what it is that you're buying when you buy an NFT. For example, if you buy photography and or art, are you able to reuse that art? Are you able to reuse it for commercial purposes? What IP do you get? If it's a membership NFT, what membership are you getting? How long does that membership last for? All of these things are really important to understand when you're buying an NFT. So that is a quick overview of OpenSea. It's really, really easy to use. If you do buy an NFT, do share it with us and let us all know what it is you bought. I would love to see.